In the produce marketplace, the rules have changed. You can't sniffle, snort, or ahem without looking like you are deranged. What once was politely forgiven is now expressly forbidden, especially a semi-autonomous convulsive expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth, usually caused by a foreign particulate in the nasal mucosa. You're standing a little closer? You can't sneeze anymore in the neighborhood grocery store. You'll be done, you'll be shunned. You'll never, ever, ever get another coupon if you sneeze. Buy the cheese, you'll be escorted to the door. There'll be no respiratory reverberations in the neighborhood grocery store. Walking down the frozen food, my mask the latest style. I saunter past a bag of peas, you can't even see me smile. I pick up a frozen pizza, or 7, and maybe some aluminum foil. Turn the corner, get some olive, that's the one true essential oil. Paprika, I needed it, and some oregano. I hold it to my nose and smell it like a fine Bordeaux. The chili powder, yes, I did inhale. 'Twas the wrong thing to do. That's when everything went haywire. Over there in aisle 2. My sneeze shook the shopping cart. I sneezed so hard that it made me fart. People screaming everywhere. Hey, look, it's COVID Harry. He's right over there. You can't sneeze anymore in the neighborhood grocery store. You'll be done, you'll be shunned. You'll never, ever, ever get another coupon if you sneeze. Buy the cheese, you'll be banished forevermore. There'll be no respiratory reverberations in the neighborhood grocery store. Now, you can try and disinfect, but your life will be forever a wreck if you sneeze. If you sneeze. If you sneeze, Hercules, if you sneeze in the neighborhood grocery store. Hey.
You can try and disinfect, but your life will be a wreck. If you sneeze, if you sneeze, if you sneeze, Hercules, if you sneeze in the neighborhood grocery store. It was quite delightful, darling. You know, I was thinking that this would make a marvelous blues tune. Oh, look at me. I be jamming. I should probably try to channel my inner Josephine Cocker. You can't sneeze